Everything for those or so far war share a year. Moisha Budon Sabre about Bonte, I release statement say Abaran no a year and the beam so next about Chino, Edia Shebe without or Rangazania approval. They say the push to a phobia or no person woman which Sasha the Yonko if you have so any baby or war interest a no pemu anything I wouldn't know baby or what is here amount for a penny check or more. Those who are this time Semunia Abetijano still now no it was your for I quite said it be one in another way as so money and yajin ewo anamutu awotu edi afa Moisha Budon ewu na enra diet say Aisha Modi or the semi betuja edifa so for you ewu so so even after the release so for no edi betuja no Princess Shingo one Ghanaian and Gambian actress I so non so Moisha Dafopa and no so the semi abetuja edi afa Moisha agasa ewu edi ebiemuntu no eya was Sophie Gabriel Ibeya Sabre Moisha akopiemu e na so ya wono enwode Moisha efa encheche ene empire emu according to Princess Shingo no sofo no I hypnotize Moisha anampo de bi aye no nti na anam so ama Moisha e bi video obi e say or correct information bet me prove say Moisha say sofo no anasa story no enti no tonton wonya man e biem so de sika onye film no e de ekoma asori nti openchire pa e was that example if I could take Princess Shingo so no then some no etuja na answer na no crap on me come say to me go be so ya saying boy chidom e me meje ebremu or charge about center ye be a also be up sabre for one numbers that echegu awase wo no montimen internet and fama o Ghana say so abeta go match kwan e wo e ye dance my Accra e be mo no tamale and no northern region my own wabia na so nya pomudin e tena enkwemu e no buse for adwumani ache e be for yen go tie send na e Princess Shingo or they and seven of Moisha Budon no etu ejani ba it was for yato asofio.
Did you guys get her hypnotized or what? What did they do to her? Sorry, my battery is a little low, so we have to do the camera like this. But yeah, did they hypnotize her or what? Because you know I don't believe in those things personally. But at this point, for her to be acting that way and take all her stuff and give it away, no, that's just wrong. That's just wrong. The last time I spoke to my friend, I think I have a recording of it. Let me play it for you guys so you can listen, because we talked for over 3 hours and she told me herself that she's giving out her things to the church. I think I even had that recording with her own voice saying it, so people wouldn't think I'm making shit up or I'm lying. But yeah.
I hate myself trying to grow my faith and pray to understand what God wants to use me for. He's been speaking to me in many ways. Yes, I'm now a
90 ebusuan for Princess Shingo video ekwoche na wakasa emu no Moisha ono mienu call omo recording and wo boy de etu mu no nebusa for yetie Moisha no no akasa ne video no emu bi na de na wo ka call recording no esune ene say ne nkwa wode ama nyankopon nti no wo ton no honyeme nia de ma so ya so isu say woman ni mo she enti da pose wo to mi bi na fi asase gampo na bri bi ofro mo ka che mo say Moisha frɛ enyafo bi de aba ne fi a wo cheche wo mo nyama no kwabo o ma mo nyama kro eso enti na esi an wan asem no kra because voice yi Moisha Budon ono a voice na so for you so ono so enam ne sister so Vika Michael so de semi betu just say ono so nim she na Moisha fa she bi emfa emre asori ne and they say no Moisha no ne kwa edanza emu anase yenfa ne say one of those things the enje no one kasa stable enough so be church nsemu e dey akire Ghana for ana ye tena say hwe han say bibia kwa atwe enhire oba no kosi so be stable na so be kwa ngenye mu ansana ya kasa sa aboa ye ho agije ntopua e dey bo ni bi mana eno ne ensema aba Ghana for ebobo mu but ni nemu no ye ni e dey akire Moisha no bibia o hwe bia no otumi say ne yonko Aisha Modi she left home when near brace kwa bia so no be in a PF baby or share na wetimi abonte e dey amoisha beba abonte na wo no nsem ye wo bia no dey atudenti ko this abrele dey for you ni ade nsem no echi dey wo mu bia no so e bo mo dey ade so mti mo mo dey na mo subscribe to your channel yi ni bi mo so share video on other social media platforms. Follow TumaGH on Instagram, Twitter, so at TumaGH _ Facebook, TumaGH. Nana mo some this thing. I may have to my big shopping. My grandma, bye bye.